Well, it started out early one morning. Before 8:30, you called the house because I left a message that I needed to talk to an attorney and I wanted to see an attorney. I didn't expect you to call back. I expected to talk to your secretary, but you called me back. And after some discussion about the case and everything, you told me that you would make a few phone calls and that you would call me later in the day. And at that time, you would be able to tell me whether or not you could help me, because you were afraid that you wouldn't be able to. Well, a few minutes after noon, the phone rings, and it's you. And you said that you had made a phone call and that you would be able to take the case. And it was as if a weight was lifted off of my shoulders, because this has been bothering me so long. And you made arrangements for us to come into your office, and we sat down and talked and got acquainted. I was thrilled that you were a Christian, because we're Christians. And I just felt a sense of relief, and for the first time in years, I knew something was going to be done, and it was going to be done efficiently and in the way that it should be, professionally. And you said that you would have an answer for us within about a month. And you pretty much was on spot with your prediction. And all the dealings with the office, like Claire, your secretary, calling her or either sending in that she would request something, or emails back and forth, or that sort of thing. All the dealings with your company, the staff has been just wonderful. And they went out of their way to help us, just as you have. And I think that comes from the head of the organization and goes down. I think that you would be a very difficult person to work for, because you would be demanding, because you're demanding on yourself. And I just thank God that we were able to find you and be able to use you as an attorney. It's such a sense of relief now. I can go about getting on with my life. This is going to be done. And I can't thank you enough for that. We've had a rough few years that I did not know whether I had no idea that I'd be here now. I think that God's got other things in store for me, and I just can't thank you enough, and your staff, your company, and if there's anything ever that we can ever do to help someone else find the right attorney, we would be happy to do it.